Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Race the Recipe, and I would like to welcome you back to another episode of Learn to Like. Now, I do have to apologize because I did not connect my microphone correctly to my camera, but we are learning to like bananas. And this is my last opportunity to do it. So, what we're doing is we're making the Hey Auntie banana pudding from Snoop Dogg's From Crooks to Cooks cookbook. And I'm also going to try banana chips and some freeze dried bananas. So if I don't learn to like bananas after this, there's just nothing more I can do. Once again, guys, I really have to apologize for the footage being not like up to par the way I would like. I did lose some of the footage, and again, like I said, I didn't have the microphone connected correctly. But right now, what we're doing is we're making the banana pudding, just the pudding part. So you need a cup of granulated sugar, a fourth a cup of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream, a large egg that's lightly beaten, and you're going to need a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. And so what we're doing is we have all of those ingredients except for the vanilla combining in the saucepan, and we're bringing it up to a bowl. Now you see me adding in that lightly beaten egg. And once all of this comes together, we're going to have it at a rapid boil. And once those bubbles start popping pretty consistently over the top, you're going to remove it from the heat and whisk it for about 45 seconds. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it's thickening up. And so once the bubbles start forming like pretty rapidly, then we're going to take it off the heat and transfer it into a sieve and into a heat-proof bowl and do all the other stuff. But I just want you to see, like, it's puddingish. We are like at that point. So. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little piece of saran wrap and put it down, let it touch the pudding so it won't get a skin. I learned that. Where did I see that on? I think on the Preppy Kitchen. I was making a custard, and that's what he said. So, whoo, that's hot. So you make sure that the saran wrap is touching the pudding so you don't get a skin. And then we're going to set this to the side for a quick second and move on to the next step. Alright, so let's assemble. So we take like a tablespoon or two and we put a dollop at the bottom of the glass. I'm going to try to keep it neat and act like I'm a professional. Right? Then boom, we come in with the bananas. I'm not editing that out. Y'all saw me fling that banana in that pudding. Get in here. I don't want to touch them, y'all. I hate how bananas feel in addition to I hating how they taste. I hate everything about bananas. They're stupid. I don't understand why the Lord made these. But for potassium, which is why I be getting what? Cramps. Then you come in with the wafers, the cookies. Not that bad, yang. He said break them up if you need to. I'm breaking them up so he can fit right there. That's enough. Then again, you just repeat. People who eat this, y'all probably already know how it go. Just a little bit more for that corner. God, I hope I like this. Ugh, I touched it. I'm doing it with my hands so it can be faster. It's taking too long. Ugh. It's on my hands. It's getting crazy. Okay, cookies. Boom. Boom. The other half. Y'all probably like, why you ain't got on no gloves? Because it's my house. Who gonna know? This is for me to taste, not nobody else. What that thing they got on TikTok? Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. Y'all gonna know because you can see it. But Nobody gonna eat this but me. I would wear gloves if other people gonna eat it, but they ate. Okay guys, so I actually made some whipped cream according to his instructions off camera. So here it is. It's just a cup of heavy cream. It's a cup of heavy cream, and you mix it in a stand mixer till it has, you know, pretty stiffness, and then you put in a little bit of powdered sugar and vanilla. I'm sure there's a much prettier way to handle this, and if I had have thought quicker, I would have got my piping bag out and, you know, gave it a nice little swirl of whirl. But actually, I'll tell you what I'll do. In my mind, this makes sense, and I don't know what the execution gonna be like. Just, you know, boom, oh, boom. Great idea, Samantha. Great idea. So make it smooth on the top. Y'all saw that? Uh-oh. I put a little bit too much in this one for it to be and smooth. We'll just, you know, back and forth it. I'm making a mess. Now I'm like, I should have brought a knife. Wasn't ready. Boom. Get the back and spoon action. Cool, cool, cool. Boom. She ready. In the words of Tiffany Haddish. I should have made that face. That was me. We'll cut that out. Okay, so boom. That's the whipped cream on top. I flattened it out to, you know, I don't know why I did it, but I did do it. Now I'm gonna just put like a little bitty mound. So I can put a vanilla wafer propped up and a banana. And if I liked bananas, that would be adorable. But we're gonna like, this right now, this is where everything changes, right? That's what this is. This is the moment that Snoop Dogg made me, Samantha, banana lover. This is it, y'all. You're witnessing a miracle. How cute is that? Adorable. Why am I screaming? Don't worry about it. Look how cute, guys. Look how stinky. Okay, guys. First of all, I'm really happy about how cute they look. So, without further ado, we're in here, right? Straight down. I got, oh, okay. I feel like there's no bananas on here, so I'm gonna just grab this friend right here on the top. And I'm not gonna be anxious. I'm just gonna, I don't know if this is a thing, but I'm a mental eater. Is that a thing? Because this was good. This is actually very good. Off camera, I was 100% nervous. I was totally like freaking myself out like the toast on this, but okay. This is what my issue was. Feeling the banana in my mouth, right? Again, oral assault. That's how I be feeling. It's oral assault, just all of my taste buds. However, I like this a lot, and I did not expect to like it at all for two reasons. One, I don't like bananas, right? Obviously. But two, I really don't like pudding either. So I didn't think it all the way through when I decided to do this recipe. I was really focused on trying to get a bananas a shot, that so much that I didn't even think about, I really hate pudding also. So Snoop really gave me a twofer with this one. So y'all absolutely try this recipe. I do recommend it. I give this I'm gonna give it I want to give it a 4, right? I do really think this tastes good. I almost gave it a 3 because my brain is still saying I don't like bananas, right? So if I was at somebody's family function and they had banana pudding, I still wouldn't get any, right? that would just be a dish I passed on by. But having made this is good. I know my family likes banana pudding, so I would absolutely make this again. And what I would do, honestly, I think if the bananas were like mashed up, and that's probably gross, but and kind of mixed in with the pudding a little bit, that might even make it a little bit better for me, because it's a textural thing. It's a mental block, right? But again, this is good. I give it a 4 for the taste, and I'm gonna give it a 3 for the ease of the recipe. It wasn't difficult, but because you have to have time to refrigerate and that kind of stuff, that elongates the process. Not that it makes it more difficult, but it does make it more time consuming. And so with that, I usually put time and effort together, so a 3. Now what I have here, I bought as a backup to just in case I didn't like the banana pudding, right? So I got some banana chips, and we're gonna just taste them. I got these at HEB. I don't have any sponsors, right? I'm brand new in the game, but I would love if HEB would sponsor me, because I'd be running it up in there. So here we go, banana chips. Not gonna think about it. Tastes good, but it tastes like a banana. How many calories is this? 140 calories for a 1/4 cup. Cause this ain't nothing but sugar, y'all. Bananas have a lot of carbs in them. I can't swallow it. That's stupid. I don't like that. I'm glad I didn't start with that. Whatever to that. These are banana crisps. These are freeze dried. This was like my last ditch effort, right? These two. These look silly. So these are how they look. I'm sure you've seen these. And no. I just cut. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't want to spit it out on camera like I did them tostones, but the tostones wasn't nasty. These taste like straight banana, and I just will not allow it. Also, I forgot I wasn't supposed to rate these on Learn to Like, but this was real good though, so I felt like, you know, he deserved, you know, opportunity, you feel me? So having said that, I really hope y'all have enjoyed this video. I'm glad you came. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with 10 of your friends, or at least 2 will subscribe. Until next time, I will catch y'all later. Catch you later.